If you want to start trading like an expert, I mean, if you want to start trading like a pro and make a lot of money, you have to, first of all, give some definitions to why you want to go into the trade, how much you want to make in this trade, and how long you're going to last in this trade. Okay, these are three very important things that you need to discuss and agree within yourself before you start trading. Okay, in this video, I want to show us live trading, and I'm going to be explaining why I am into this trade. This is obviously because of some reasons, and it has to do with your technical analysis and your indicators. Why are you convinced that it is going to go the way you are predicting it? Okay, I am going to explain that. I'm also going to be explaining how long I want to stay in this trade and how much I want to make from this trade. So you need to have all these expectations before you go into trade. It will help you manage your emotions as well. It will keep you calm and will make you stable in the markets. All right, Onojo Nathaniel is my name, and if you don't know me, it means you are just joining this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, because here I teach you how to make money, especially through cryptocurrencies and various ways you can make money online. All right, without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into it. So this is my Binance here. The first cryptocurrency that I'm going to be sharing with us is the CFX, and the CFX, I am shorting CFX right now. Okay, to answer why I am doing this, I made some analysis, and the first thing I did was, this is the 4 hours time frame, and on the 4 hours time frame you can see that this is a very crucial resistance level for the 4 hours time frame. You can see that it went all the way back here. Okay, now number one reason why I am convinced and I went into this trade is that we are testing a very strong resistance level, and as a matter of fact, it's had a sharp pullback, which is an indication that we're going to have a retracement. Okay, if I want to mark this area also, I would do this from this point. Okay, so whatever happens, I am expecting that the price, action comes back to test this region more than once. Okay, we already did that once here. Let me bring it out closer. Okay, now you can see that the price has tested this region 2 times, and this is the 3rd time. Okay, which tells that yes, there is really a strong resistance level here. It's a confirmation for your resistance level, so you would want to check that out. Make sure there is more than one trial to that resistance or to that support level before you make other analysis. So here, this is 1, this is 2. In fact, it's closed, it went 2 up and gave a very long shadow, which is a strong reversal candlestick. All right, and then we had another one here which came back as well. So this 3 has given me a signal that this is a strong resistance level, a support level, and we are heading back to get a retracement. As a matter of fact, you see this green candlestick, I am never in love with it. Whenever I see it, I stay off the market till there is a proper target before I hit it. Yeah, you want to copy that. The second reason why I am going into this trade is that this is my RSI indicator, and you can see what happened here. The RSI, gradually made a higher high until tested the overpriced region. Okay, this overpriced region has broken up, and it went above this. You can see the line here from the 70 means it is overpriced. Okay, and when it is overpriced, what next? We expect a fall. So I'm expecting this to at least break down to this point. Okay, when it happens like this, I'm going to have my trend this way, because this is a very crucial one. But before we get here, it is very important that you take notes of this point, which has played for a while. Okay, so this is 1, this is 2. Let me reduce this, please. It's too thick. This is exactly what I expect in the market, and you see that the RSI line is gradually having a pullback. And this is the second reason why I am convinced that this will fall. The third reason why I entered this trade is because this asset, the CFX, has been doing greatly well for days now. Let's go to the 1-day time frame. You would see it has been gradually going up, going up, going up. Okay, you can see from the 12th of May where it's made this reversal hammerhead rather, it has been going up. Okay, first of all, we had a pullback, or we had a fall from the 28th of April, fell from 0.346 and all the way down to 0.244. Okay, made a lower low here at 0.23, went back, and it started. So for 1, 2, 3 days, it has been giving us a very long candlestick, which means a lot of buyers came in within this period and pushed the price all the way to this resistance level. So this resistance level is a strong one. It is expected that the price is being held there for a while before we attempt it, or we attempt to break it. So on the 1 hour, on the 24 hours time frame, you can see that it has tested this place, and like I would expect, there is a pullback, and this is a good time for me to quickly scalp whatever is possible here. Okay, this point is one of my take profits. Okay, this is one of my take profits. So 0.3 is one of my take profits. I also have a take profit here if it breaks below. Okay, so 0.27 or 0.26 is another point for me. So I'm going to be looking out on this. Meanwhile, like I said, I already entered this trade, and well, whether it is going bad or going well right now, I wouldn't mind, because I know what I want. Yeah, I know what I want. And that is to answer why I am in this trade. The second thing I'm going to be telling you about is how long are you going to stay in this trade? Well, I want to stay in this trade for let's say a period of 2-3 hours, okay, maximum of 8 hours. Why did I say that? Okay, before we made this, this is the 1 hour candlestick charts right now, and you can make your calculation that we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 before this retracement. Okay, so if there is a possibility that we are going to fall back after this consolidation, which is a bit descending, all right, I would want to count from where the price started the trend from and look forward to what will happen. On the 1 hour time frame, you can see from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if I enter at this point, I am expecting no matter whatever happens in the market, when it goes up, comes down, goes up, definitely we are going to come back to this zone within 1 to 6 hours. So that is the period of time I'm going to stay in this trade. I know you want to ask me what happens when it doesn't hit my target after the 6 hours. Well, what I'll do is I'll go back into my analysis and of course reanalyze, check out for what is happening and why the market is taking so long. If the volume is significantly dropping or increasing, or if it is eventually going to fall like I said, then I would wait. If it is not coming back or it is not going as planned, then I'm going off the trade after 6 hours. The next thing I want to explain is how much do I expect to make from this trade. And here I have a calculator. This is my P&L calculator. Let's check where I entered this trade. Okay, here I have some trades running already. So this is the size, and my entry was 0.31. Okay, and right now the market is at 0.09. Okay, 0.31. Well, I am using 20x as my leverage. So what I want to do is I am shorting, and I entered at 0.31. That's my entry point. Like I said, my first target is 0.3. Okay, so when I do 0.3 here as my exit, say my quantity, let's say it is 5,000 of this. Okay, I just want to show us the P&L, which means how much I want to make out of this. All right, I'm going to be making 64% out of this trade, and as a matter of fact, it is more than enough, right? 64% is my first take profit, and my second, which would happen within the 0.27, okay, 0.27 would be let's say 0.27, half of my entry, because I would have given out another one. Okay, that would be 258%. This 258% is my ultimate exit points. And what would happen if I cross down this place is I want to see the price fall, from this point, specifically when we get here and there is a breakout. Okay, so this is another entry point for me. As soon as it comes back to retest this region, I am entering it for my second take profit zone. I believe this has answered why I am in this trade and how long I'm going to stay in this trade, how much I expect to make in this trade. Before you go into any trade, like I said, make sure you have given a definition to these three things that I have mentioned, and you would want to pay more attention to why you're going into the trade. Don't tell me you're going into the trade because you want to make money. That shouldn't be the goal. That shouldn't be the answer. The answer should be the reason you are convinced that the trade would go well. This answer should not be based on one assumption or one analysis. You need to combine 1, 2, 3 indicators to get a why. If this video was helpful, which I believe it is, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop in the comment section how your trade has been going so far. Last night, I made a video about cover and I told us I'm going to be selling cover, showed us why I'm selling cover, and today it has done exactly like I said. This is my trading view and this is cover. It dropped significantly from this point here, and it has tested the region which I predicted it has. If you took this trade last night, congratulations. You can just go ahead and let us know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on your notification bell because here I tell you what to buy and sell per time, so we'll be making money back to back. Make sure you don't miss out. Thank you, and thank you for watching.